Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. It's nursing home resident here, Simon, with another quick food review for people like me who live in nursing homes or homeless or camping, anything like that. And you need something easy to cook for breakfast or anything like that. But I tried a few of these. This one is the golden suet flavour. I've also tried the hazelnut chocolate flavour one. I think it is like the Nutella type of chocolate hazelnut. I've tried the original. And I think there's a fruit one, but I haven't tried that one. These are Quaker protein. All you do is add boiling water up to the line where the protein line is. You can see on the thing there's a little raised line. And then put the lid back down and wait 2.5 to 3 minutes for the Quaker oats. It's like porridge, But can I just say, I did not like these whatsoever. I'm going to rank them in 3, 2, and 1, and in third place, it's going to be the chocolate hazelnut. It was a very chemically taste. It was full of, you can tell it was artificially, chemically, and just for adding boiling water, there's obviously milk powder and all that in it. But no, it was actually a 2 out of 5 star rating. If I had to give it a star rating, it'd be 2 out of 5. It was, I ate it to try it. And I couldn't eat, couldn't even get halfway through. And they're only small. These are only, I'll try to tell the weight of them. This one is 63 grams. And literally, the porridge, once it's made, it's about down here. And when you add the water to this line here, let me put that back. To that line there, the porridge then swells up to about half, that line, just under that line. It is, number 2 is the original. Again, it only beats the first one because there's less chemically taste in it, but there's still chemically clear. I would say that's another 2.5 star rating. But this one, I'm going to give it a 4-star rating because I've eaten the whole thing. I've eaten it all. Again, there's a slight chemically, artificial taste about it. The other two, I had to eat. I had to add. This to it. Canderel sugary. And believe me, I am going to be doing a review on this. This is absolutely fantastic. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about Quaker oats or Quaker protein. I'm going to give it a 4-star rating because A, because I ate it all. B, there was not that much of a artificial taste. I say chemical. Artificial taste, but yeah, but if you're in a bind and you like porridge and all you've got is a kettle or a fire which you can boil water on, or a little camping gas stove you're camping with, these are very light because they're like literally just oats in a cup, and they're good in a bind. They take 2.5 minutes after the kettle is boiled. So yeah, but again, I would stick to, if you have got the capacity of, making yourself some porridge, stick to the proper stuff. These are only like last resort, and I mean, I probably won't even buy them again. What gets me, the stuff in the pouches, I had years ago, was gorgeous. The reason why I bought these was because of them, but they're totally different. They are absolutely totally different. The pouches is, as one pouch, you tip the contents into a jug, and you fill the jug with milk, and then you tip that into the jug, and you nuke it or heat it up in the saucepan or whatever. And they was gorgeous. But these ones where you add boiling water to, when it's all like, it's got everything mixed in, not so good. Like I say, 4-star for the golden syrup, and joint second and third place for 2.5 stars is the original and the chocolate hazelnut. Thank you very much for listening. If you like this sort of thing, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't, please give me a thumbs down. Either way, it's algorithm, as the YouTube says. So yeah, thanks very much. Bye bye for now.